Good morning children, welcome to EVS session. Okay children, hope you all clear with that concept, right? Food we eat. Okay. So before going for our next chapter, you have to guess today's topic. Okay. Just listen whatever questions I'm asking. Okay. Ready? Yeah. So Nishan, tell me, why should we eat food? Why should we eat food? Yes, food gives us energy, right? It gives us energy. So next question is to Tarakeshwari. Without food, whether we can live? Without food, we can live? Whether we can live? No, without food, we can't live, right? And same time, without water, whether we can live? No. Human beings, plants, animals, all we need water, right? So food and water is very, very important for our life. Likewise, one more thing also there which is very important for our life. What is it? Without that, we can't stay. What is it? Can I give you clue? Yes? Okay. So to cover our body, what we do? What we do? To cover our body, usually what we will do? Yes. Nitila, tell me, what is it? Atvik, very good. Many of you are answering dress, right? You're exactly right. Today we are going to learn about clothes we wear, okay? So, different kinds of clothes are there. Different kinds of clothes are there. So, let us learn about all those things, okay? Stay tuned and listen. Why should we wear clothes? Why should we wear clothes? Why? What is the reason? Ashwin Raghav, tell me. Very good. To cover our body, we should wear clothes. Then any other reason is there? This cloth, it protects us from, what is it? Insect bite, right? So, from insects, we can escape, right? Okay. Then, any other reason? It protects us from rain, heat, cold. So, it protects us from heat, rain, cold, everything, right? And same time, we look always smart according to our dresses, right? Right. Okay. So, we'll learn about different kinds of dresses. Shall we start? Okay. So children, here is your flashcard words. Please repeat it along with me. Your first word, what is it? Clothes. Repeat it. Clothes. C-L-O-T-H-E-S. Clothes. Next, protect. P-R-O-T-E-C-T. Protect. Frock. F-R-O-C-K. Frock. Shorts. Shorts. S-H-O-R-T-S. Shorts. Uniform. Uniform. U-N-I-F-O-R-M. Uniform. People. People. P-E-O-P-L-E. People. Dress. D-R-E-S-S. Dress. Dress. Home. H-O-M-E. Home. H-O-M-E. Home. Next, costume. C-O-S-T-U-M-E. Costume. Next, function. F-U-N-C-T-I-O-N.
Repeat after me. Socks. Shoes. Pants. T-shirt. Muscle man suit.
That's funny.
Dress. Jeans. Skirt. Sweater. Pajamas. Shirt. Shorts. Sweatshirt. Cap. Superhero suit. Here we go.
What are you wearing? What are you wearing? What are you wearing today?
Let's have a look. I'm wearing socks. I'm wearing socks. I'm wearing shoes. time! Faster!
What are you wearing? What are you wearing? What are you wearing today?
Let's have a look. I'm wearing socks. I'm wearing socks. I'm wearing shoes. I'm wearing shoes.
I'm wearing pants. I'm wearing pants.
I'm wearing a t-shirt.
I'm wearing a t-shirt.
And I'm wearing a muscle man suit.
That's funny!
I'm wearing a dress. I'm wearing a dress.
I'm wearing jeans. I'm wearing jeans.
I'm wearing a skirt. I'm wearing a skirt.
I'm wearing a sweater.
I'm wearing a sweater.
And I'm wearing pajamas.
To school?
Oops, I forgot to get dressed. I'm wearing a shirt. I'm wearing a shirt. I'm wearing shorts.
I'm wearing shorts.
I'm wearing a sweatshirt. I'm wearing a sweatshirt. I'm wearing a cap. I'm wearing a cap. And I'm wearing a superhero suit.
That's funny!
What are you wearing? What are you wearing? What are you wearing today?
Great job! Hello, my name is Matt. What's your name? Today, I'm wearing a shirt and I'm wearing pants. What are you wearing? Great job! See you! What are you wearing?
Yes, children, our topic is clothes we wear. Okay. So why we should wear clothes? Why do we need to wear clothes? To cover our body. To cover our body, we should wear clothes. 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 Okay. Next, it protects us from heat. What is it? Repeat it. Heat, rain and cold. So it protects us from heat, rain and cold. So just see here. It protects us from heat, right? Heat and cold, heat, cold, rain and even from dust and insect bites. Okay, so cloths which protect us from heat, rain and cold. Heat, rain and cold. Okay, so special occasion dresses are there. Special occasion. What is special occasion? Like festivals, wedding. See, like festival, wedding, birthday parties, right? So during that time, we will go with some grand dresses, right? So we usually go with, this is what kind of dress? This is sharwani, right? And this one is lehenga. So like that we have some different dresses like frock, right? So grand frock is there. We will go with that. Umbrella frock. Girls, they will go with this, right? So this is like festival wear, right? Diwali, Pongal during that time, or if your uncle or auntie's marriage or sister marriage, that time we will go with some different dresses, right? And during your birthday or your friend's birthday, how will you go? Yes, we have some grand dresses to wear, right? So next is about uniforms, right? These dresses we call it as special dresses. What is it? Special dresses. Special occasion dresses. Occasion. If it is tough, just leave it. Special dresses. That is, what is special dresses? During festival, wedding, birthday parties, we will go with some grand dresses. No kids, that only we call it as special dresses. Okay. The next thing is uniform. Okay. Uniform, usually we will go with special jobs. Okay. So usually while coming for school, are you all wearing this occasion dresses? Is it so? No. We have uniform for our school, right? Likewise, our school we have dresses like blue color, brown color. Likewise, each and every school they have their dress code. Why should we wear this uniform? Why should we wear this uniform? So, when we wear uniform, everyone knows that is you're a school children, and we should wear, when you wear Sharada uniform, it shows you're from Sharada school, right? You're from Sharada school. Likewise, each and every school, they have their own uniform. Not only for children, not only for you. All other jobs also, they have different kinds of dresses. That is, different kinds of uniform. So, if you take doctor, what dress they wear? So, what is this? Doctor dress. Usually they will go with white color coat, right? This is doctor dress. And what is this black coat? Lawyer, right? Lawyer. He's the lawyer. Next, who's she? This is very familiar thing. Who's she? White and white, and cap is very beautiful, right? So she is a nurse. So this is the uniform for nurse. So when you go for hospital, easily we can find, right? So just think, when you are going for hospital, you know it, right? Mummy, this is nurse, mummy. How you are finding? Because of this uniform only. This is doctor, mummy, right? Okay. This is postman. So postman, drivers, all they will go with brown color uniform, right? So likewise, for each and every job, we have different kinds of uniform, different types of uniform, okay? So the next thing is at home, okay? At home, whether we all wearing this festival wedding dresses? No. Are you all going with choli, lehenga, like that? No. Right? Sharwani, is it so? No. So in home, usually we go with some comfortable dresses. Comfortable means what? Which is very convenient, okay? நமக்கு ஈஸியாக இருக்கிற ட்ரெஸ்ஸஸ் தான் வேர் பண்ணுவோம். Is it so? Yes. Like T-shirts, jean, very light cloths, kurta, right? Shorts, pyjamas. Pyjamas means what? That is, that loose pant is there, no? That only we usually call pyjamas. That is not pajama, okay? Pyjamas, okay? That loose pant. That only we call. Okay, usually we will go with this dresses. Boys, I think usually boys they prefer shorts like this, right? This is very comfortable to wear at home. Girls, they will go with frock, I think, right? Okay. So, children, now you all know about the clothes we wear. What is a small recap. So, why should we wear clothes? To cover our body. So, it protects us from heat, rain and cold. It protects us from heat, rain and cold. And likewise, we have special dresses, right? If it is festival, wedding, birthday parties, we will go with some special dresses. Is it so? Like sharwani, then what dresses? Choli, some grand skirt, veshti, right? Okay. Uniform. So special job, right? So when you are going for school, you will go with uniform, right? Okay. Each and every profession, each and every work, they have some special dresses. And home, we will go with some comfortable dresses. Now, just we are going to learn about different types of clothes, okay? So just see this. This is the dress of Punjab. And this is the dress of Rajasthan. Just see the dresses alone, okay? This is Nagaland. So for each and every place, each and every state, see their dresses. How it looks? West Bengal, Maharashtra. Just see the dresses. Just to know different types of clothes are there, right? We know, like you all know about these dresses, like skirt, then what? Frocks, shorts. These are all chudidar. That only we know, right? So just see these dresses. See this thing, Gujarat, Kerala dress, Jammu and Kashmir, Assam. See these dresses. Yeah, see this one, Japanese. Yeah, this is the costume dress of Japanese. And this is Arab. See, Burmese. Just see the different types of cloths. That's enough. You no need to remember the state name. Just see the different kinds of dresses. Okay. So children, the dresses like clothes like actors or dancers, you all know. In movies you are watching, no, right? So actors and dancers, they wear dresses, no, that we call it as costumes. What is it? Costume. What is it? Costumes. Actor, you know, I think all you like Vijay, right? So Vijay dresses in movies you're watching, right? That we call it as costumes. What is it? Costumes. Okay. So now ma'am is going to show you few pictures of different kinds of dresses. Okay. Shall we see? So in this session what we learned? We learned about clothes, that is to cover our body. We have to wear dresses. And it protects us from heat, rain and cold. Some special dresses are there during festival, wedding, birthday parties we wear, right? And uniforms, those who are doing special jobs, they will go with uniform. And at home, we will go with some comfortable dresses, right? Okay.
What is this? This dress is frock. What is it? Frock. Girls, they like to wear, right? This is t-shirt and shorts. In our home, at home, we usually prefer to wear this t-shirt and trousers. During night time, it is very comfortable to wear, right? This is pants. Kids, this only we should call as pants, okay? P-A-N-T-S, pants. Just know the difference. Just see the next picture. What is this? This is shirt and next is trouser. You should not call it as pant. Our father usually prefer this, right? This is trouser. Pant, this top one it is there, no? Blue color I said. That is pant. Okay. This our mummy usually wear. What is it? Sari and blouse. And this is veshti and shirt. During function time we usually wear, right? Okay. What is this? This we call as salwar or churidar, not chudidar. Churidar. Okay. Our sisters wear, right? Okay, now we are going to play a game. Get ready. You should find the answers. What is this? Very easy. Very good. Shirt. Next, get ready. Ritik, it's your turn. You should find what is this dress? Type of dress. Not dress, I think. He's drawing something. What is it? Yeah, your second starts. Yes. What is it? Cap. Exactly right. Next, Dhanasuriya. It's your turn. You should find what he's drawing. Come on, it is very easy. So that I can ask some girls, right? Ritanya, you please tell me, what is this? Yes, your time starts now. Good. This is dress or frock, okay? That frill will be there, frock means, right? Like a umbrella it looks. Next, get ready. So this will ask with Dhanasuriya. What is it? Think and answer. Don't say pant. What is it? Exactly, this is trousers. What is it? Trousers. Likewise, we have jeans, right? That we call it as jean pant. Blue color it looks, right? Nowadays, many colors are there, jean pants. Okay, next is, what is it? Pugali, you please tell, what is this? Very easy one, right? Yes, socks. Socks. Okay, get ready. Sanjay, it's your turn. You have to say, what is this picture? Very easy. Your time starts now. Just now I said shorts. Very good. What is it? Shorts. SHORTS. Okay, get ready. Next is Shashwant. What is this? So before that we learned cap, and what is this one? This is something different, right? Hat. So there is a difference between cap and hat, right? Okay. Next, Madhi Vendan. It's your turn. Very easy. Yes, very good. Many of you are answering exactly. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What's the answer? Shoes. What is it? Shoes. Okay. Next we'll go with Adavan. Adavan, it's your turn. Watch it carefully. Time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So what is this? Very good. T-shirt. What is it? T-shirt. Next, Naveen. So Naveen, get ready. What is it? Yes, coat. That's it, kids.